friends and fan greetings from me to you, family chef. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to get rid of constipation. I'm a living testimony. I'm telling you guys, please have time to watch this video. You see this papaya? I'm going to show you how you can get rid of constipation. If you are having your blood sugar is always high, you have diabetes, and you are trying to eat good so your sugar level will stay perfect, this recipe is for you. I have a whole papaya here. I think in my African people, we call it pawpaw. I have oatmeal. When you read oatmeal here, it tells you the oatmeal can help you to reduce cholesterol. So if you have bad cholesterol here, this recipe is for you too. And raisin. We all know raisin is good for you. And oatmeal. The reason why I'm telling you constipation is not good. You get a headache, you get stomach bloated. Oatmeal is very good. It has a lot of fiber. Okay? So we are going to put all these things together. I have about 2 tablespoons of oatmeal. I have honey, and I have raisin, and I have papaya. Let's see how we are going to put these 4 ingredients together. And if you have it every morning, you're going to call Family Chef and testify. I'm a living testimony for constipation. I'm telling you, I'm really serious. Bear with me. Before I put the oatmeal, I have to toast it. Okay? Toast it, put it here. I'm going to let this oatmeal toast. You can put it raw if you really like it. You don't mind to eat it raw. You can eat oatmeal raw. I'm going to toast it a little bit because I don't like the raw taste of the oatmeal. So this will toast about 10 minutes, okay? Stir for 10 minutes, it will toast. If you want it, you can cook it for 5 minutes. You can add a little water and let it bubble for 5 minutes. Papaya. See the papaya? The papaya seed is very good for something else. So it's here. Don't throw it out. I will show you what go with it to get another recipe. But before we blend it, we need our milk. Please make sure you get almond milk. Okay, almond milk or skim milk, because we are doing this trying to lose weight, trying to get rid of high sugar and cholesterol. Because we need to blend it smooth. All right, you can blend it without milk. And the papaya goes in. Remember our oatmeal? I toasted it. Okay, I toast the oatmeal to get a smoky flavor from the oatmeal. You don't have to toast it. You can go for raw if you like it. But I toasted it to get a flavor, the smoky flavor from the toasted oatmeal. Okay, you can add it like that. You can add water and cook it 5 minutes. So 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of oatmeal goes in. Honey. And this is golden raisin. Raisin is very good too. Now let's blend our ingredients. Now let's pour our smoothie into the glass. Oh my God, look at how good it looks. See? I'll tell you this. Do you like this smoothie? Instead of breakfast, getting up, worry yourself, prepare oatmeal, why don't you make this smoothie? You can use full of papaya and put it in the glass or any jar and put it on the refrigerator and drink it for a week or another day. Okay, I used to have bad constipation. I always have headache, bloated and everything. Since I started drinking this, I'm telling you, if you don't have problem with constipation, this is not for you, because it's going to make you go in the morning freely. You don't have to suffer to go. Okay, anytime you go to the bathroom, you have to push and push and push, then you end up getting headache, especially when you have high blood pressure. This is good for you because this is low in fat. It's going to reduce your cholesterol. It's going to reduce your blood pressure. Okay, you are eating at the same time you are taking your medicine. Okay, this is the end of my video. If you want me to bring more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, support Family Chef. I'll bring more videos and educate you guys. Our health is important. As mother, as grandmother, as nation, we need to take care of our health. Thank you so much for your support. I really love you guys. The Oatmeal milk, you can smell the toasted